government? Science has taught us today. What can I tell you? I was absent today.
But not problem, I will explain you about government, okay? See, government is a body that runs a country, okay?
Only this much about government?
Not this much, I am going to explain you its types.
Okay.
There are two types of government.
Two types?
Yeah.
Tell me about two types.
First one is democratic government,
Okay.
and second one is monarchy government. Understood?
Then,
See, democratic government is a government that is elected by the people. Means we elect them.
Yeah.
And we can replace whenever we want. Okay? If it will not do well. And monarchy government is a government that is not elected by people. We can't do anything, and he will do whatever he want. Means it want.
Then which government is in our state in India?
Our country, India.
Yeah.
Democratic government. In election, people go now for electing.
One government can handle our country.
See, government is one.
Yeah.
But it have different levels. And there are 3 levels of government.
3 levels. Which?
See, central, state and local.
Oh, I understand about state governments. A state government means that overruns in a state.
Yeah, that's.
Am I right?
Yeah, that's rule over the state. And you are unable to understand about central and local.
Yeah, I am able to understand.
Okay, I will explain it. See, central government is a government that handle the problem or issues that is related to a country. Okay? And you have understood state government well?
Yeah.
And local government is a government that handles the problem of a society, particular area, villages, towns, only this much.
Thank you for explaining me.
Okay, no problem.
So I am too late. So
okay, you will come now.
Okay.